Welcome to episode number 5, and in this episode I'll be discussing only about the layout of the first floor so that you understand the transformations which are going on or the changes which are happening day to day. It might be easier for you to get the insights. So now let's begin with it. So once we enter the stair area, we have a central aisle which takes you to the main conference room, the main empty cabin. There's a store area, there's a pantry division, and a storage area. So now I'll take you to the views. So these are the views for the washroom. Since it is the industrial or the rustic finish, I am proposing olive and black as a combination. Sorry, olive, black, and grey as a combination. So I'm not going for very fancy and heavy tiles. These are the regular tiles, and my client preferred oceanic or earthy tone. So that is how they were. This were the two color combinations which we had proposed, and. Finally, the one which you see now is finalized. I mean, it is the same olive green, but it is the aqua shade, I mean the lighter shade in that, and the tile has a little bit of texture in it, so the CNC cutting or the CNC grooving will be very prominent and will look very appealing. Now moving ahead to the passage area, this is the central passage which takes from the staircase. This is the pantry division, and this is the storage of the pantry area. What you see now is additional pantry storage and regular storage as well. This is the reception cabin. Reception is going to be an open one, so it is adjoining the pantry area, so from the staircase it will be a pleasant and appealing decor as such. This is the main MD cabin. There the proposition is for two tables, one a bigger size and one a comparatively smaller one, for the two MDs to work simultaneously. This is the conference room. Conference 3D might be revised, as I'm not satisfied with few things, so there might be a revision in that. Revision as in there are few things which I am proposing to be incorporated in the conference room, as the conference room has to be lively. Also there are few props which will be displayed on the wall signifying the business area. So I think that's it from my end for the day, and I hope you had got a peripheral view of the upcoming transformations or the which are happening. So do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.